Hello friends, welcome back to Android Key video channels. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you something that looks so funny but so good. Try to watch to the end of the video, like, subscribe, and give us a hit on that notification bar so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you will be among the first bar to receive from it. Believe that tutorial will be helpful to each and every one of us. There is something funny I would love to introduce to you. It's blind typing. Glind typing is another way to type in a faster way. Most of you might have come across it but doesn't know how it works. Today I am going to show you how it works. Let's open our typing or editor. I'm going to use my notepad to use as the tutorial. This is my notepad. I have searched for it. Now it has opened. Now, let me clear off what I've already typed. Okay, glide typing. Now, how do you make this glide typing work? All you need to do, you come to the setting. If you check here, you can see the glide typing. You see the voice typing also. But this glide typing, you need to enable all these things. You need to enable each and every one of them. Once you get them enabled, then your glide typing will work. If you don't enable them, you will have issues on it. So it's very important that you enable them. Enabling them will give you the access to make use of the glide typing. Let's try it and see how it works. Now I have come to the notepad. What can I type? Okay, let me just use funny thing. What can I type? You can see. It's so funny, right? See? Wow, this is wonderful. I would like you to try this. This is very much sweet and very funny to use while you're typing or you're chatting with someone. You can make use of this. Very sweet, very sweet. Honestly, it's very sweet. I love it. My dear, try this. Honestly, you will love it. I want you people to start doing something good. I would like you people to start doing something sweet and funny. Tell people you are learning something from this my channel. Instruct whoever that is finding it difficult to make use of their Android mobile. Let them come in. There is alternative for them. Join. Please like and subscribe to this channel so that every information uploaded will get to you direct. That notification icon, please activate it, click on it so that you get notified whenever our new video arrives. Please don't fail, don't ever try to fail this. Like us, encourage your friends to come in. There's alternative. There are so many things that happens under your phone that you have never touched. Those things are what we are unveiling to you. There's another thing I would like to append to this tutorial. That is adding your native language into it. Your indigenous language. I am an Igbo. I'm an Igbo tribe. I have my Igbo. You can see my keyboard. IG English. Igbo English. How can you enable this and it start working? Now let's do it and let it work. Let's do it. Now you can see as I have cleared this and I have tapped this enter key, it automatically gave me these icons, these four icons plus the goggle and this other two. Now, once Once it have appeared in this way, the next thing you need to do is tap on this setting icon once again. Once you type on it, if you check at this language, you can see my language: English, Kwatiki, Igbo, Kwati, and now let's open it. You can see I have enabled it. I have enabled it. Now let me add another language. Let me add like Ibibio or Yoruba. All I need to do is tap on this key. This is Ibibio. This is Ebira. This is Isoko, Nigerian Pidgin, Tiv, Hausa, Kanuri, Igbo, and Yoruba. Let me just put Yoruba. Done. Now I have 3 keyboard existing on my keys. If I'm good to type, you can see these 3 keys have now shown. You can see them here. They are now showing because I have enabled 3 keys. I'm not Bawoni. Let me try and see further Bawoni. I can spell Bawo. Bawoni. You can see. It's even work. Yet I'm not a Yoruba, but at least I tried. What? Please, if you see this video, please like and subscribe. Subscribe to our channels. Subscribe to this channel. This channel is uploading and unveiling some secret tutorials that you never think that happens within your phone. So subscribe to us so that you'll be enabled to get all these tutorials. Operate your phone and enjoy operating it. Thank you. So this is that. Let's assume I don't want again to include maybe English, or I don't want to include Yoruba. I can simply return back to my settings again. Tap here. The next thing I need to do is check. You see, I have English already. I can delete it. I can delete Yoruba. I just delete both of them. It's only Igbo keyboard now that's remain. I can still return back to English. See? But let's check back again and see how it is. You can see Igbo keyboard. I hope this tutorial is useful. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Android Key Video Channel. Is there every tutorial about your Android apps work? We are showing you all the tips. Soon we will start unveiling some useful apps that you people have never even come across. There are so many things that you need to do by yourself that you don't need to go outside and do. With your app, it is possible. So try and subscribe to this channel so that you will learn a lot from us. Thank you very much. Bye.